I know automation is coming, and I can see it working in certain environments, but there's no way an automated truck is going through New York City. Sorry. The split-second decisions that we have to make, such as cars also, that are weaving in and out of us and all that, I don't see how it's going to work in city environments. I can see it on lanes. Certain lanes definitely it would work. And I don't doubt that the technology will eventually get us to where it will be pretty efficient and safe. But logistically, I don't see it. So many times, even with the technology we've got now, the GPS that we have now, which is way better than it used to be, we're still running into areas that addresses don't exist. And you're lost sitting there trying to figure out, and the brokers have no idea. They just give you an address. I went to a place just 2 days ago, the address on the bill, and it's a Dollar General. And I'm supposed to be at this other place down the road. And I look down the road, I don't see nothing. And I'm scared to take the truck down there and get stuck. It might be a dead end or whatever. So I wait behind 5 trucks to get into Dollar General so that I can ask the guard, am I in the right place? No, you got to go on down the road. So what's an autonomous truck going to do with that?